Hey there! Welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps of logging into WorkBuddy, your ultimate companion for work management and collaboration. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be logging in like a champ. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. Once you've got that open, simply type in the URL for WorkBuddy's login page, which is WorkBuddy login. Then let's tap enter, and you'll be taken to this page. Here, make sure you log into the correct login page. I'm going to tap into this one. Now you'll be greeted with the login page. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. Start by typing in your username or email address in the designated field. Next, input your password and make sure to double check for any typos or mistakes to avoid login issues. Now, simply click or tap on the login button, and there you go. You will be logged into your WorkBuddy account. And also, if you forgot your login details, you can type in this option that says I forgot my login details. So there you are. Now that you are logged in, take a moment to explore the WorkBuddy dashboard, where you will find all your projects, tasks, messages, and more neatly organized for easy access. And logging into WorkBuddy is as easy as following these simple steps. Remember, WorkBuddy is here to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. So make sure to take all advantage of its capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.